my name is JeuryBuilt, and today we're inspecting Chris's Z3 transmission. For the moment of truth. Let's see what you got, Chris. Doesn't want to open, no? Playing hard to get. Alright guys, so this is the Z3 transmission. We got it open. First thing you start with when inspecting it, look at the magnet. So you can see those are like shavings and build up through time, which is not too bad, but of course you don't like to see shavings. You always want to see the minimum, the better. Overall, if you look at the transmission, it's not too bad. I think it has around like 140,000 miles around there. And if you look, it's just basically a little cleanup. Break it down, it's gonna look new again. What we have here is your first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear. And if you're wondering where reverse is right here, and it also works with this. I'm gonna have to hit it on the floor probably. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit it on the floor. Alright, so basically what's going on here, I noticed that the third gear has a good amount of wear on it. If you look here, there's a line on the synchro. And if you look, that line comes from when the synchro it's not clearance properly, it sits too close to the gear right here, and it causes to rub on these teeth. And that causes that line right here. And if you also look, there's deep gouges of the synchro right here that are wearing down. So this synchro is basically no good. And more than likely, when you look at something like this, you also find a bad slider. So, also known as the sleeve too. People call it a sleeve also. So if you look at the sleeve for third gear, they're basically, my best way of telling people about it is they're supposed to look like houses. Houses, you know, with a roof, with a pointy roof. If it's worn down, that means it's no good. If you look at this one, it's not too bad, but it's something that if we're gonna put a new synchro in it, I would definitely get a new sleeve. So, and it's not bad at all. If you look at these houses, you can still see them. And they don't look bad at all. Alright, so one thing I want to start with before I go to the differential is if you look on the main shaft, it has these holes, right? These holes feed oil to the bearings, to the needle bearings on the main shaft. And if you look, they're not clogged at all. Usually these are completely clogged and you can't see through. But You know, that's not bad at all for a transmission with as many miles as this one got. That is not bad. And you also have one right here for the bearing. So that's definitely a good sign. Now, let's take a look at the diff. For those that don't know, the Z3 comes with OEM LSD. So this is a LSD diff. This one looks crazy. The bearings don't sound too loud. Bearings sound good. All you see is a little bit, you know, look how easy that cleans up. You know, with a little bit of cleanup, this transmission is gonna look brand new. So if you see it, don't say nothing, just know it works. This is easy peasy. When you have the right tool. Huh? Sorta, kinda, right? You know when it goes that loud? Bam. There we go. That's how you take out a needle bearing correctly without fucking it up.
And as I come to conclusion with this video, I noticed, again, no outro. All we did was really talk about what I need to buy to finish and close the transmission back up to refresh it, which is just going to be the carbon synchros. We talked about it. I don't really need anything else right now. I mean, I know I'm going to have to drop the transmission again in the future for upgrades, but as of right now, I just want the car running. All I need is the synchros for now. I'll be fine. Synchro Tech makes a good set, carbon synchros. Just about $320, so not bad. So after I get the synchros, you guys will get the video of the reassembly, and then finally we can mate it to the motor and drop it into the car hopefully soon. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, also stay tuned for the bloopers, because making a video with Jerry is the hardest thing ever. We just can't stop laughing, and it didn't help that Nano was there, so that's coming up right now. What's going on, guys?
You want to try transmission breakdown on?
Bro,
I'm Chris.
Who brought this guy, bro? Please.
Bro, it's my he's my what do you call it? He's my co-director, yeah. Alright. I can't move, bro. That shit's gonna be picking up all the noise.
And I'm here rebuilding Chris's transmission. So
redo it. Alright, ready?
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's
I knew it.
Bro, I can't with you, bro. Why you? I can't.
Nigga, look
I can't take nothing serious, bro.
Don't look at me. Look past me. Look at the bike. No. Stand over there. Whatever you do, don't look over there. If I see you look over there, it's a problem.
Stop it, bro. I can't right now.
12 seconds later.
I knew it. I knew it.
Bro, why are you smiling, Chris?
Bro, I didn't smile to you. I saw you smile.
Bro, I can't believe it.
Yes, you can, bro.
A few moments later.
Alright. No, really, bro? I told you who brought this guy,
He was ready to go, too. He was like, alright, ready? Nigga was ready to go.
Oh, fuck, man. Damn, Nano?
Yeah, my bad, man.
Shit looks fine.
Alright. What's up, guys? Today we're rebuilding Chris's transmission.
It's okay and good for him to go to install.
That's it. Fuck Chris. I can't take that.
Bro,